Hi, I'm Melanie for Balsam Hill, and welcome to my Holiday Decorating by the Room series. In today's video, I'm sharing ideas on how to style your front door and foyer area for the holiday season. Let's get started. Today, I'm sharing a few of my favorite ways to dress up a foyer entryway for the holidays. A nicely appointed holiday entryway is the perfect way to dazzle your friends and family and to give them a sneak peek into what to expect as they enter your home for the season. To get things started, I like to welcome guests with greenery, wreaths, garlands, and ornaments. And if your entryway is narrow, a few decorations can still go a long way. This year I customized my greenery and garlands by using the same ribbon I used on the main Christmas tree. And to keep the theme flowing from room to room, I also used some of the same red berry picks and pinecone picks. Once I finished styling the mirror, I also corralled some old ornaments into a tray to style the console table. You can also add some fresh pieces of balsam fir to pack that extra punch on this display. And whenever possible, I like to try to style Christmas lights or a lit Christmas tree in front of the mirror. It's a very easy way to double the sparkle in a narrow or tight space. The entryway is also the perfect spot to display some of your favorite decor pieces. DIY projects, artwork, a nativity scene, or even holiday cards are all lovely options to display on a console table. I personally am a sucker for a handsome Santa, and this year I'm displaying one of the most handsome Santas I think I've ever seen. Meet my life-sized old Saint Nick. He is a 6-foot Santa that comes in a luxe faux fur trimmed suit, and he's holding a beautiful realistic pre-lit Alpine tree. Every single detail on this big guy is handcrafted to absolute perfection. Look at the detail and the color and texture of his beard and his belt buckle. He's even carrying a lantern with a remote operated candle inside to light the way on those dark evenings after a long day. Not only will he be a new entryway tradition in our home, but he's also an heirloom piece that can be enjoyed for generations to come. Don't forget to light the path. You can adorn your staircase with pre-lit garland and customize it with ribbons and ornaments. This year I'm using the Vermont white spruce Bordeaux garland because of its combination of traditional colors and rustic warmth. For a fuller look, I added a piece of garland to each side of the staircase. Wreaths or swags are a seasonal mainstay that work perfectly for a front door. It's important to remember, though, that when your wreath arrives, it will not look like it did in the catalog, at least not right out of the box. And that's simply because it's all compressed for packing in order to ship to your home. The Vermont White Spruce Bordeaux wreath comes with a double ring, which means I'm going to take 2 steps in shaping it. It also has a battery box with a timer that you can customize and set for 4 hours, 6 hours, or 8 hours. To shape your wreath, start by shaping the outer layer first. Once that layer is complete, work your way into the inside ring, making sure you touch every single branch. Shaping your wreath, and garlands and Christmas trees for that matter, are truly one of the most important steps in ensuring that you have bountiful layers of foliage. Finish things off, add an outdoor light display for festive and inviting curb appeal. Don't forget you can shop the look of today's featured products in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you got some great ideas for your holidays. Make sure to stay tuned to the next video where we will be decorating the dining room, and I'll be sharing ideas for a holiday tablescape. Thanks again.